Good morning, everyone. In the last lecture, we have discussed about a few concepts of exercise 3.1 to 3.4, and now today let us observe a few more rules about the divisibility of numbers. So first rule says, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. What it says, if a number is divisible by another number, for example 42 is divisible by 21, except 21, what other numbers can divide 42? For that you have to find out factors of 21. So what are factors of 21? 1, 3, 7 and 21. So except 21, the other numbers which can divide 42 are 1, 3 and 7. Right. Now you can also see 42 is divisible by 6 also. 42 is divisible by 7 also. So other numbers which can divide 42 except 21 are 1, 3 and 7. In the same way, if a number is divisible by 6, let's say it's 24. 24 is divisible by 6. Now what other numbers can divide 24? You can find out the factors of 6 for that. So let's find out the factors of 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the other numbers which can divide 24 are 1, 2 and 3. So all the factors of this number, of the divisor, I must say, all the factors of divisor will be able to divide this particular number. Okay, next rule. What the rule says, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. Means if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers. That means, let us take example, 20 is divisible by 4 and 20 is divisible by 5. Now here you have to check whether this is a pair of co-prime or not. And how can you will check it? You will check it by finding out factors. If the common factor is only 1, that means this is a pair of co-primes, otherwise not. So let us take out the factors of 4. It's 1, 2 and 4, and factors of 5, 1 and 5. So here 1 is only a common factor. So that means the other number which can divide 20 is their product. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So the other number which can divide 20 is 20. Let us take another example. 60. 60 is divisible by 3 and 60 is divisible by 5. Now if I ask what other number can divide 60, for that you have to find out whether 3 and 5 are a pair of co-primes or not. So how can we find out that? We will find out by taking out their factors. If the common factor is 1, as it is here, the common factor is 1. So the product of these two numbers can divide 60. What is the product of 5 and 3? It is 15. So 15 is a number which can divide 60. Third divisibility rule. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Third rule says, if two given numbers, means, so let us say 30. 30 is divisible by 6, it gives us 5. 24 is divisible by 6, it gives us 4. So if two numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Means if we add 30 and 24, we'll get 54. This 54 is again divisible by 6. And where it comes in table of 6, it comes at 9. So if two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Now what is fourth rule? If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. if two given numbers are divisible by a number. So 35 is also divisible by 5, 20 is also divisible by 5. Now what is their difference? Their difference is 15. 35 minus 20 is 15. So 15 is also divisible by 5, right? So these are the 4 rules which I need to discuss with you. So now let's start exercise 3.5. Here the question 1 is based on all these divisibility rules and the form of true and false. Let us discuss. If a part, if a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. No, 9 is not a factor of 3. 3 is factor of 9. It is true, but 9 is not a factor of 3. So ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर कोई भी नंबर 3 से डिवाइड होगा. Let us say 12. 12 is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 9. So it is false. B. If a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3. This is true. Why? Because 3 is the factor of 9. Okay. So if a number, कोई भी नंबर अगर 9 से divisible होता है तो वो 3 से भी होगा क्योंकि 3 9 का factor है. Part C. A number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 3 and 6. No, this is false. Why? Because if a number comes in the table of 3 and a number comes in the table of 6 also, then it is not necessary it comes in the table of 18. Let us take example like 24. 3 can divide 24, yes. 6 can divide 24, yes. But 18, in the table of 18, 24 doesn't come. So this is false. Part D. If a number is divisible by 9 and 10 both, then it must be divisible by 90. This is true. Why? Because this makes a pair of co-primes. और अगर कोई एक नंबर 9 से भी डिविजिबल है और वही नंबर 10 से भी डिविजिबल है और हमने चेक किया है कि 9 और 10 क्या को-प्राइम का पेयर है? यस. Because consecutive number are always a pair of co-primes. Like 8, 9, pair of co-prime? Yes. 5, 6, a pair of co-prime? Yes. 21, 22, a pair of co-prime? Yes. So, if a number is divisible by 9 and 10, then it must be divisible by 90. This is true. That means their product. तो वो नंबर इनके प्रोडक्ट से भी हमेशा डिविजिबल होगा. If two numbers are co-primes, at least one of them must be prime. No, this is false. अगर कोई भी दो co-prime numbers का पेयर है, two numbers are co-primes, तो उनमें से वो बोलता है कि एक नंबर प्राइम होना चाहिए, ज़रूरी है. नो. लाइक 8 and 9, ना तो 8 प्राइम है ना ही 9 प्राइम है, बट दोनों co-prime का पेयर हैं. So this is false. F part. All numbers which are divisible by 4 must also be divisible by 8. No, because 8 is not the factor of 4. 4 is factor of 8. So this is false. All numbers which are divisible by 8 must also be divisible by 4. सारे numbers जो 8 से divisible हैं वो 4 से भी divisible होंगे. True, because 4 is the factor of 8. If a number exactly divides two numbers separately, it must divide their sum also. अगर कोई भी एक नंबर दो नंबर्स को डिवाइड करता है अलग अलग तो वो उनके सम को भी डिवाइड करेगा. Yes, this is true. If a number exactly divides the sum of two numbers, it must exactly divide the two numbers separately. This is false. ये रूल नहीं है. रूल क्या है कि अगर कोई भी एक नंबर दो नंबर्स को सेपरेटली डिवाइड करता है तो वो उनको भी उनके सम को भी डिवाइड कर सकता है. और इसमें उल्टा है बेटा, इसमें बुरा है. इफ अ नंबर एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड्स द सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स, अगर कोई एक नंबर किसी की नंबर्स की सम को डिवाइड कर रहा है तो वो नंबर्स को सेपरेटली भी डिवाइड करेगा. दिस इज फॉल्स.